The Cooluli Classic 4-liter mini fridge is a convenient and lightweight portable cooler and warmer. It uses green EcoMax technology to be energy efficient and ultra quiet without the use of any chemicals or gases. Use it anywhere to keep items cool or warm, such as food, drinks, snacks, beauty products, and more. Featuring a self-locking magnetic door handle, removable shelf and door pocket, comfortable carry handle, and easy-to-use controls. Its stylish design is perfect anywhere in your home, office, or on the go. Plug it into the wall for continuous power, into your car's DC adapter when you're on the road, or use our exclusive USB power cable to plug into your power brick and take it with you wherever you need to be. Keep your essentials cool or warm at home or on the go with the versatile Cooluli Classic Thermoelectric Mini Fridge.
Fresh air can be hard to find, but it doesn't need to be. The Levoit Vital 100 guarantees you never have to go without clean air. 3 stages of filtration capture a wide variety of pollutants, including pet furs, household odors, and 99.97% of airborne contaminants as small as 0.3 microns. The advanced motor's accelerated airflow packs a punch, rapidly refreshing the air within a room over 3 times per hour. Its compact design easily covers mid-sized rooms without cluttering the space or making too much noise. Adjust fan speeds and set timers with the one-touch display. The Vital 100 capably meets the needs of your environment. The washable pre-filter helps extend the lifespan of all 3 filters, so you can go longer without needing a replacement. The Levoit Vital 100. Revitalize your air.